He hates hugs and crying.
If you ever meet Kid Rock, don't expect a hug. He isn't the touchy-feely kind, and he isn't shy about expressing his disdain for public displays of affection. He told Rolling Stone, "Now my dad's crying after shows, like, I'm so proud of you." I'm like, shut the *CK up and quit crying, stop it. I don't like anybody crying. I don't do well with that. I don't cry myself. I definitely have emotional issues. We're not gonna hug it out. While it would be inappropriate to offer Rock a hug at this juncture, it sounds like one might help.
He took out a mountain lion.
Kid Rock loves to hunt. His passion for chasing big game earned him criticism in 2015 after he evidently shot and killed a mountain lion. Like many hunting enthusiasts, Rock posed for a photo with the animal he'd just shot, and the photo ended up on Facebook courtesy of his hunting partner, none other than fellow musician Ted Nugent.
He has his own private airport.
Like many successful rock stars, Kid Rock lives large. Not only does he have his own private jet, but he also has an airport near his Alabama property. Technically speaking, it's more of a landing strip, but it offers unparalleled accessibility for flying to his other homes in Michigan, California, Florida, and Tennessee. No security, he told Rolling Stone regarding the runway. Just drive a pickup truck onto the tarmac, leave your keys in the car, get on the plane.
He accidentally made an adult film with the frontman of Creed.
Kid Rock allegedly starred in an adult film by accident. The impromptu adult film also featured Creed frontman Scott Stapp. While the bands were touring with Metallica in 1999, sources state that Stapp showed up at the Rock's front door. At the time, Rock had lady friends visiting, and Stapp had a video camera. You can imagine the rest. The tape was never released, and few details are known except that, apparently, Scott Stapp utters the phrase, "It's good to be the king charming."
He married Pamela Anderson 3 times.
Well, not 3 separate marriages, technically speaking. The pair held 3 separate wedding ceremonies. The first wedding was held in St. Tropez, the second in Beverly Hills, and the third in Nashville. Unfortunately, mere months later, the couple filed for divorce. In a 2018 interview with Hollywood Reporter, Anderson had harsh words for her ex, saying the two cut off all contact after their split.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.